Hey guys, today I'm super excited to be filming this. I recently just went and ordered a ton of stuff off of the Zara winter sale. So I have 23 pieces I'm gonna be showing you guys, and I'm gonna break it into two parts. So I'm gonna do like tops, bodysuits, jeans, and pants. My second is gonna be dresses, skirts, more going out stuff. I'm gonna be doing like a try on haul, but I just wanted to show you, this is the box it came in. So much. It is so huge. I have a link to everything down in the bottom description, but where it was like a winter sale, I know a lot of it is sold out already, and let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start with bodysuits, and so this is first, this black corset bodysuit, super cute, super flattering. It has a zipper on the side, which I didn't realize Zara has like zippers on every single piece. This is the first time I've gotten like a lot of stuff from there all at once. I don't know if I love that. It's not the most comfortable, but it definitely makes it more flattering. These leather pants. I've seen so many great things about the leather pants, but I've never tried them, and they're the comfiest pants I think I own. Like, you need to run and buy these right now. They're so comfy, they're so cute. Okay, so the next piece I got is this pink satin bodysuit. See, it's kind of the same style as the one I'm wearing. It's a corset, has a zipper on the side, and it's kind of hard to see what it looks like here, but I'm gonna try it on. I tell you, this took me 10 minutes to put on. Other than the fact it took me forever to actually change into, I am obsessed with the color on this and the way it fits. I love the color, I love the neckline. And again, it has like this side zipper, so it like really cinches you in. Is this super strappy in the back? Like, I don't even, it's gonna be so confusing to figure out how to put on. Anyways, it's just a super cute white floral bodysuit, and halfway down the like sequin stops, so it's more comfortable. It's not a thong bottom or anything. Don't know how I feel about that. Just for like wearing jeans, I don't know if that'll make it trickier. To say about this one. First of all, I knew this wasn't gonna be the most comfortable piece in the world. Oh my god. Like, just my arms touching these sequins, I could not wear this for a night out. As cute as it is, this would drive me insane. Like, if I'm out drinking with my friends or like doing literally anything, this would annoy me so much. Second, the bottom isn't like a snap bottom to get into. It's like you have to like step into it. So that's kind of annoying. And the back is like adjustable. You can tie the straps back here. And the amount you tighten them, it doesn't really change these. So like it sort of tightens the top straps, but it just mostly tightens the back. So like if the strap length isn't accurate to like your height, it's really tricky to like tighten the top of it. Don't love this one. It is cute, but yeah, no, I'm not feeling it. Also, it just looks like weird with pants. Like, I tried this on with jeans and it just still doesn't look right because like little sequins like fold over the top. So I don't know about this one. Like, you can see these. So I've been in this for 5 minutes maybe, and I need to change out of it immediately. It's so uncomfortable. I'm gonna try on these high-rise jeans. They're just the straight leg, and they have one rip in the knee. I've heard a lot about Zara sizing so far. I haven't had any issues with anything I've ever bought. Jeans, I've heard that you're supposed to size up, so I sized up. Hopefully these fit me, but feel really thick, like good material and good quality. So just a tank top from H&M. I didn't get this from here. I just thought it'd be cute with these jeans. Honestly, like, these are comfy. I don't find jeans comfortable. They don't feel too tight, and I feel like there's lots of like leg room in them. They are the straight jeans. Like I said, I sized up, and I think that was a really good decision because they honestly, like, this is the perfect size for me. Like, they just feel like a really thick, nice material. I thought Zara jeans might be overrated, but no, like, these are so nice. I feel like I could wear these every day and they wouldn't wear out and like wouldn't rip or anything. Love these. And my next item is this super cute color knit wrap cardigan. And this was on sale like a crazy amount. Usually $60. I got this for like $20. It's just so warm and comfy and cute. So a lot of the stuff I got was for like going out at nights and like going out with my friends, but this is something like I know I'm going to wear all of the time. I love it because it's just a cuter way to like stay warm if you are going out. Like if I'm going out for a date night or something, I can wear this over my cute outfit. Just ties side here. It's so comfy and warm. I'm so excited. I love this one. It's so cute even though it's super chunky. So next up, I ordered 2 pairs of shorts. I know it's like the middle of winter, but they're cute and they were on sale. So I thought, why not get some cute summer shorts for when first nice day I have like cute new shorts to wear. So they're just like ripped on the bottom. Love shorts that have like the little rips and frays. I don't have any like this, so I'm super excited about these. I'm hopefully going to Hawaii with a bunch of my friends in around August, so I wanted to start getting some like cute vacation clothes now. I didn't realize the one pair of shorts have buttons instead of zippers. Don't love that right off the bat. Like I really don't like jean shorts that have these, and I'm wondering if that's maybe why it's on sale. I kind of understand if the jean sizes, they're really inconsistent because these are a 0 and they're a lot bigger than the size 2 jeans I think I had on earlier. These are the zip ones. So I don't know, I don't find these very flattering. It might just be with the top, but yeah. They're supposed to be high-rise and they just look really awkward on me, honestly. These were really annoying to get on, but they fit a lot better. They're a size 0. These ones like aren't that loose on me. They feel a lot better even though they're the buttons. For me, the reason I don't like these is like if I'm going out or doing something, like it just takes so much longer to change in and out of, especially like at the beach. I just find a zipper so much easier. But yeah. I definitely prefer these ones. Also, I needed to show my nails in this video because I just got them done yesterday for Valentine's Day and they're so cute. I had to add them. So while we're doing pants, I got these beige. They're like wide on the bottom. I can't remember what that style is called. They're like the wide cut, kind of like yoga pants style bottom. Ribbed, and I'm kind of worried that they're gonna be see-through just because they are a really thin material. They look very comfy and they have like an elastic waistband, so I think they're gonna be cute. These do fit really well. They're really cute. Might be my favorite pants I've gotten so far. This little green zip-up sweater. This because first of all, it was like on crazy sale again. This is like originally $45.90 Canadian. Got it for like $10. I thought this would be really cute with like black Lulu lines and Aritzia socks with like a hat. I really like this color. It's so cute. It's really comfy. I was worried that it would be like really tight just because it looked a little small or like one of those uncomfy materials, like the too thick. And then in different lighting, it looks kind of like teal. Got is a bag. If you can't tell by the theme of this video, I've been loving green lately. I just thought this would be such a cute accent piece. I don't have any like colored bags like this, and I just thought it would be so cute to add to my purse collection. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and it's just really good material, and it's pretty big, so it actually is like very functional, has a lot of storage, so I love this. I feel like outfits can be so much more elevated and cute with this as like a little accent. Okay, so I changed back into comfy clothes. I'm in this tank top again, the yoga flare pants, like the beige ones. These are so cute. I'm not taking these off all day. That's all for the first part of my Zara haul. In the next video, I'm gonna be trying on all the dresses and skirts I got. Hope you go check that out next. Everything I tried on is gonna be linked in the description down below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in my next video.